Welcome back to the channel of GNS Designs. This is Gene. What I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap my 2013 Chevy Cruze. I currently have quarter of the car done, I guess you could say. It's got a high gloss black on the trunk, it's got it on the roof, and it also has it on the hood. The rest of the car, I've got an Avery Dennison blue diamond back on it. So what the diamond is, it's like it gives it that glitter effect, metallic flake that an actual paint job would have, but it puts it on your car as a vinyl material. So let me give you guys a look about what it's looking like, and we'll go from there. Hey everybody, this is GNS Designs. What we're going to do today is we're going to wrap this mirror in two pieces. So we're going to use knifeless tape right here on this body line. If you look real close, you might be able to see it, but there's a body line right here. So I'm going to put a piece on the back end right here. Then I'm going to overlap the top piece right here. So it should be something pretty easy that you can even do at home for yourself. All right, here we go. back. I finally got the car done. Trying to get myself something to do over this whole COVID-19 stuff. But check it out. What you got to do when you want something bad enough, guess what? You got to work for it. Alright guys, until next time, subscribe, like, and hit the channel, and thanks for watching. Bye.